Mike. I'm a firefighter with the City of North Vancouver Fire Department. We're currently doing an equipment check on our rescue truck. It's important we do an equipment check because in an emergency we don't want to have to look for what we need, and we also want to know that all our equipment's in good working order. So come on in. The rescue truck specifically goes on motor vehicle accidents, high angle rope rescues, and confined space rescues, among other calls. We currently have our checklist here. You can come take a look at us checking the equipment.